Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you've learned on how to use Jobber for your HVAC business. So whether you're handling installations, repairs, or maintenance services, so if you want to stay organized, manage clients, and get paid faster, this tool can really help you. So first is you have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for Jobber, and then you have this first website. Okay, so just simply tap on the first website. That's right. And then after that, you have the option right here to start free trial or find your plan. So once you are done creating your account, you just have to log in. Okay. So again, Jabber is an all-in-one business management app that helps you manage your customers, schedule jobs, send codes and invoices, and track your daily work. So think of it as your digital system for running your HVAC business efficiently. So start by adding your clients. So just go to the client section. Okay, and then just go to the new client. And then you just have to enter the primary contact details as well as the property address. You can also add notes like type of system like split, central air, and etc. So previous repairs or special instructions. And this helps you provide better and faster service. Next one, after adding your clients, you can now create the services and your codes. Okay, so just go here to your codes and then tap on the new code option. Okay, so create a new code. So for example, aircon installation or AC installation. Okay, so I'm just going to type it out and then you just have to select your client. That's right. You can also type AC repair, preventive maintenance, or system inspection. And then for your service, you can add your service right here. Okay. So you can set your pricing and then send a code to your client. So for example, for this one, let's say 3,000 pesos. Then you can also add an image right here and then you'll be able to see here the total and then you can now email this to your client or send as text message. Now, once approved, you just have to go to your calendar. Just go to the schedule section. All right. And then I just have to schedule the job. So for example, you're going to schedule this one. So create a new job and then you can assign it to yourself or to your technician. Okay, so for HVAC, you can schedule emergency repairs, such recurring maintenance. So you have that right here. So every 3 to 6 months, and then manage multiple jobs in one day. So everything stays organized in one place. So after that, you just have to view the job details on site. So once it is time for the job, you just have to open the Jobber application and then tap your schedule. So you'll see the client location, the service details, and the notes in the system history. So no more guesswork when you arrive. And then after finishing, mark the job as complete. So just go here and then add notes like work done. Okay. And then parts replaced, recommendations. And lastly is to create your invoice and get paid. So now to create your invoice, you just have to go here to the invoices section and then create a new invoice. That's right. And then you just have to send your invoice via email or SMS, and clients can pay online, and Jobber can send automatic reminders. So, for faster payments, improve your cash flow. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.